Yes, we can hear you, Miss.
Okay. How are you today? Are you fine? Are you ready to our lesson?
Yes,
Of
yes.
course, yes, I'm ready.
Okay, we can start with our lesson with a question. Okay, did you take your breakfast today? Did you have your breakfast?
Yes, I ate my breakfast.
Okay, which time did you eat your breakfast?
I think it was 11 because I wake up at 10 and a half and I ate my breakfast at 11.
10 and a half, okay. And who's talking, who's answering? I don't know, just say your name and because really I couldn't see you here.
I am Aram.
Aram, okay. And we can Safan here and Yakin is here.
Where is Fatima?
Okay. Now, can you hear clear?
Yes.
Okay. And today we are calculate our time. That's why I ask a question about the time. Which time did you have breakfast? And now what is the time? It's, our lesson start with yes 13:20. I think we started.
Yeah, 13:20.
Okay, we can calculate now from your breakfast to our lesson what time passed, how many hours or minutes passed. Can you calculate?
Okay.
Okay, in each student calculate your time from your breakfast to our lesson.
Nagra.
Okay, can you mute please your voice because we can hear your voice also behind you, your family's voice, and this lesson is recording, please. Okay. Did you calculate? Okay, now you can see me also. Aram did it. Yes, Aram, you can talk.
It's 2 hours and 10 minutes.
2
From
hours
11
and 10
and a half to 13:20.
Okay, 2 hours and 10 minutes. Very nice. What about the others? Yakin, did you calculate?
Yeah, mine is 12.20 minus 1.11 equals
How many hours passed? How many hours passed?
hours. Yeah, 2
Yes, 2
hours.
hours passed. Okay. Okay, Fatima came now. Welcome. And can you calculate your breakfast time to do our lesson time? What time has passed from your breakfast time to our lesson time? Okay, Safan, did you calculate? If you want to talk to say answer, please raise hand the button. You can click there. Fatima, please mute your voice. When you are answer, you can open your voice, please. Okay, now I want to explain from me. I had my breakfast 7:12 and now 13:20. From 7:12, 1 hour we can count, okay? 8:12, 1 hour, 9:12, 2 hours, 10:12, 3 hours, 11:12, 4 hours, 12:12, 5 hours, and 13, 12, 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours and how many minutes after 12? 8 minutes. 20 minus 12, 8 minutes. 6 hours and 8 minutes ago, I had my breakfast. Now, we will make some timetable to calculate our time, because this lesson about calculating our times in 24 clock and minutes. Can you see this table on your screen? It's about writing some events from yesterday. I wrote waking up at 7:12 and breakfast 8:05. This is example, just I choose the time any time. This is giving example. And lunch time is 13:15 and studying times 15:45. Okay. Now let's check together. Calculate the time between these two events. Waking up to breakfast. I wake up at 05. How many hours passed between these two events and maybe minutes? Okay, you have to calculate 8. You have to calculate 8:05 minus 2:12. This
Miss,
hour.
is it 1 hour?
This 8:05 minus 7:12. You have to make this one. And do you have your notebook and your pencil? You need to write, please.
Yes, I have.
Yes,
Okay.
I have.
And you can write in your notebook and find this one. This is 8:05. The time is 8:05 and minus 7:12. I told you can count hour by hour from your mind. Then you can add minutes, or you can make minus from minutes. 7 to 12 till 8:12, 1 hour. But we had breakfast 8:05. This means earlier than 8:12. Between 5 to 12, how many minutes we have?
7.
Between
1 hour 33
7
minutes.
minutes.
Yes, this means
It's
50. Did you find? Who can say the result? Less than 1 hour. This means less than 1 hour.
Yeah, it's less than 1 hour.
It's minutes.
Yes.
It's 12. It's
7 minutes less than 1 hour. And if you make 60 minus
Yeah.
7, what is the result? Okay, who find it? Okay, I'm gonna write the result here. 53 minutes. Okay. The second event between breakfast to lunchtime. Okay. Today our lesson just calculating time. You need practice with this.
It's 5 hours 10 minutes. Yes.
Between breakfast to lunch, I had breakfast 8:05 and my lunch is 13:15. We need to make 13:15 minus 8:05. How many hours did you find?
5 hours 10 minutes.
Yeah, me too.
5
5
hours.
hours, 10 minutes.
5 hours and 10 minutes. Are you sure?
Yes.
If you count 8, 5, 10, 5, okay, 5, 12, 5, 1, 5. Yes, 5 hours and 13, 5 to 15, 10 minutes. Yes, this is correct. 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, the next one. Lunch time to the studying time. 13, 15. I had my lunch and my
2 hours, 30
studying
minutes.
time.
2 hours, 30 minutes.
2
2
hours
hours,
and yes,
30 minutes.
2 hours. 2 hours and 30
minutes.
minutes. Okay. Who can choose any event from here to give example? For example, waking up time between lunch or breakfast time between studying, or you can give any example. Did you understand or not? You can raise your
Yes, I
hand.
understand.
Okay, who's talking? Aram, she said. Yakin?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, Yakin, can you give an example in this timetable
Yeah.
to make difference between the events, the difference, the time between the events?
How?
I gave you 3 examples here: waking up time to breakfast time, and the breakfast time to lunch time to studying time. Can you
Yeah.
choose another events from here to calculate times between these 2 events?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Can you tell me which time?
Which time? Well, how?
For example, I marked now. Okay, you choose breakfast time from here and to the studying time.
Yeah.
Can you calculate how many minutes or hours passed between these 2 events, breakfast time to studying time? Can you
Yes.
calculate?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know the answer. It's 7 hours, 40 minutes. Is it right?
15,
7 hours, 40
45.
minutes.
From breakfast to studying.
Breakfast to studying is 15:45, okay, and minus 8:05.
It's 4 hours, 7 hours, 40 minutes.
Yes, that's my answer. 7
Yeah,
hours,
that's
40 minutes.
true. Yes, that's true.
Okay. And you can write in your notebook. Now I cannot because my page is full. Just I can show you. That's why. Okay. And I need to erase the screen. Okay. Also, I raised the first answer. And okay, who can tell me the next?
Yeah.
Who's this? The last one, Galaxy A70. I don't know the name.
Yaqeen.
Yaqeen. Okay. And Aram, Fatima. Fatima, give me one answer, please. One example with answer. Waking up time to lunchtime, or waking up time to studying time, or lunchtime. You can choose any time.
Waking up time to studying time.
Waking up to studying time. Okay, we will calculate now waking up to studying time. Studying time is 15:45 and 7:12. Okay. Did you find?
8 hours, 33 minutes.
Yes, this is the correct answer. 8 hours to 23 minutes. Okay, thank you, Fatima. And Aram, did you choose an example?
Miss, I already answered breakfast to
Breakfast.
study.
Okay, who didn't answer? And Safwan with us. Now
Yes.
I cannot see. Safwan, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you give one example from our timetable, please?
Okay, and breakfast to study time.
Okay, breakfast to studying time. Our studying time is 15:45 and our breakfast is 8:05. Okay, we are calculating this one.
Miss, we already made that.
Yeah, it was
Okay, how
7
many
hours, 40
hours?
minutes.
Miss, we
7
already
hours,
made
40 minutes.
7 hours, 40 minutes, the correct answer.
Miss,
Thank you.
because
It was my
We
question. I
already did
answered it,
this.
yeah, miss.
we already did it.
Yeah, we already
Please,
did it.
can you shut down your video because it's recording? Galaxy A70, okay. And now open your book. I don't know who has your book, and I will open from the screen. This is Ranwa, Galaxy A70. This is
Yeah, it's
Ranwa.
Ranwa.
Ranwa, we are recording our lesson. That's why just you should be in front of the camera, okay? And if it's possible, it's suitable for shutting your video, the camera. Just when you wanna talk, you can raise hand and you can open your voice. Okay, now I'm gonna open our book 154. Okay, can you see? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, it's
Okay. Here, complete
Yes.
this timetable, use the 24-hour clock, and use each timetable to write down 5 facts. For example, lunchtime is from 12:30 to 13:30. Between these hours, how many hours can be? And A, look at here, lunchtime.
Miss, I don't have the book.
You can see from the screen, no problem. We are recording this video, and later you can watch again this video and you can write in your notebook. Okay, just write in your notebook this one. And A is,
Miss, but I can't see the questions. There's so much pages.
yeah.
Yeah.
we are recording, okay? Then after later, when you finish our lesson, you can watch again from YouTube in our channel, and you can write that time, because now it's spending our time, that's why. Okay, just open your notebook and make timetable, this empty timetable. Draw this timetable from the morning to sleep time. You need to write some events here and the time. Okay, did you draw?
Draw what?
Fatima, the miss said draw timetable with events from waking to sleeping.
Miss Ruqayya.
Miss?
Ah,
And are you ready? Did you draw this timetable? First event is, for example, waking up. Waking up, okay? And the time is we have to write here. For example, my time 7:12. Okay. Did you see? Okay, next event is.
Miss,
Yes.
should I write what you're writing or write the time?
No, you need to choose your time, your event and
Oh.
your time. This is example
Okay.
just. That's
Okay.
I told you, draw this timetable, empty timetable, and I write my example, and you need to write yours. You write your event. Did you wake up at 7:12 as me? Maybe different time you wake up. That's why write your time, okay? And second place. And another event after maybe the second one is breakfast. Okay, breakfast I did, and my breakfast time is 8:05. Okay, just I'm explaining to you how you can calculate your time in a timetable. You need to do your time yourself. Okay, this is my example, my time.
Okay.
Okay.
And the third one is lunchtime, or we can change watching TV. I can change watching TV. Okay. Watching TV, and my time is watching TV 11:45, for example. And just I choose 3 events. You can choose more than the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 columns here and 2 rows. One row you have to write the name of events, and the second row you have to write your time of events. And you can choose 8 events, also more than 8, no problem. And first one here, for example, my waking up time, after waking time to breakfast time.
You write the different of time.
No problem. I told you, I give example just. That's why. This is not my real time. I give example from my mind, but you need to write your time to calculate, okay? What do you have? Maybe you didn't have breakfast at 8 o'clock. You did till now, maybe you didn't have breakfast. I don't know, just you can choose your events in a day, okay? This is school day actually, 11:45, not watching TV. Maybe we can change this event to studying math lesson. Okay, I told you, this is just example. And after waking up time and the breakfast time, how many hours did I pass? 50. We solved before when we started our lesson. We solved 53 minutes. Okay, is it true? This is the first one. A, it's written A. And the second, second one, you choose your event between waking up to watching TV, or waking up to studying time, or waking up to math lesson time, or you have science lesson, English lesson today. You can choose any event, but you need do yourself, okay? Did you understand how can you draw this timetable and how can you fill in this timetable?
Yes.
Do you have any question about this?
No.
No.
Okay, and second exercise is about the holiday. Maybe you can do better this one for school day because long time you have holiday. And in holiday events, maybe, I don't know, riding bicycle in the garden, or playing football with your sister or brother, watching TV, or play PlayStation, and different event. I don't know. I cannot give an example here because our time is passing, and I have few times with you in a lesson. That's what just I can explain to you. The first row, we have two rows here. First row for the name of events, and I can show you marked with you. Here, the first row for the name of the events, okay? And this is the second row for the time of the events. And you need to write the name of events here and time of here. And the column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns you have here. This means 8 different events you can write, or you can draw more columns and you can write even more. And this first one, how many times passed between the events? You have to calculate this. Okay, for example, breakfast time to do reading time, or breakfast time to do play football time, or basketball time. I don't know, what did you spend your time in a holiday? Just watching TV or watching movie from internet, or I don't know. That's why you need to choose yourself. Did you draw this timetable?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm taking
Yes.
the third exercises. Okay, third exercise about the school trip. Did you go to school trip anytime in your life? If you don't,
Yes.
you travel to another country, or travel to another city, or maybe you travel your grandpa, grandma, maybe you spend time there 2 days, 3 days. You can write about it if you don't have any school trip.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
this the same thing, you have to draw this timetable in your notebook. Now I can give you 2 minutes to draw, because most of them you don't have books and you need to write now. And first row is about the name of events, and the second row the time of the events, and you can write at least 8 events or more, or you can write 5 events, no problem. And you have to write here the difference, this row, difference the time between the events, how many hours and how many minutes passed. And you can change the minutes to the hours, because in 1 minute, 1 hour 60 minutes, also you need to calculate minute to hours or hours to minutes. Okay, did you understand? Do we have any question?
No.
No. No.
Okay, thank you. You are good girls, good boys.
You.
Okay, and Another page I can open also about this one, the calculating times 155. Okay, can you see here?
Yes.
Okay, and you are the manager of a bus company. Okay, you imagine you are a boss. Okay, you are the manager of bus company. You need to design a route for buses to bring students to your school and take them home. There is also a community center at your school, and the community center offers classes that start at 11 and 13. Okay, this community center works between 11 to 13, and the last bus leaves the bus station at 9:30. Draw a map below to show the route the bus will take. On your map include 6 different bus stops, including the school and the bus station. There are 6 bus stops there, and the buses, they need to stop there and taking the students from there. The time taken between each stop and the curricular road, you need to draw a map here from to school and bus station and community center offers. Okay, and the time between 11 to 13, and the last bus station, the last bus is from leave from the bus station at 19:30. Can you write this one in your notebook? Because I'm gonna give homework this one. Try to understand and draw a map about this. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 3-4 minutes for writing. And the second one is a timetable about this. You need to draw a map here, and in this timetable, you need to write the bus station, the first bus station, second bus station, and stop 1, stop 2, stop 3. You need to fill this timetable. You need to manage the buses, which time will take and which time take the students from the bus station. You need to manage the time because you are a manager. And this work, be ready for your future. What do you want to be? Maybe you will be a manager.
Kaya, are you here?
Yes, I am here. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, I'm here, no problem. I give you time to write. Okay, you have 2 minutes. If you cannot finish, I can send your email this page. No problem, don't worry, okay? Okay, see you next lesson for next lesson tomorrow, inshallah. Another lesson about calculating time intervals, including the zones, okay?
Okay.
Another new
Okay,
lesson
bye.
tomorrow. See
Bye.
you, bye. Have a nice day. I love you.
Bye.